Hi guys, welcome back to Marks and Past Paper. Today's discussion further pure mathematics with the code 4PM1/01R is from January 2023. The last and question number 10, use formula from page 2. Show that cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equals to 2 sin A sin B. Hence show that cos 5 theta minus cos 9 theta equals to 2 sin 7 theta sin 2 theta. C.Solve the equation. Cos 5 theta minus cos 9 theta equals to square root of 3 sin 7 theta for theta between 0 to 1/3 pi. Give your solution in terms of pi. D. Using calculus and show your working, evaluate the integration of 8 sin 7x cos 2x sin 2x dx of lower limit 0 to upper limit pi over 7. Give your answer to 3 decimal places. Okay. First we start with 10a. You may pause this video if you want to try on your own, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's start the discussion. So use formula from page 2. This is formula from page 2 from the exam paper. So trigonometry is in this section and cosine is in here. So we just copy paste this one here, and this is the formula that we're going to use. So we do show cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equals to 2 sin A sin B. So now cos A minus B is cos A times cos B plus sin A sin B here, and then cos A plus B is here. We just copy whatever it is, so it's a cos. So we take the formula from here, cos B minus sin A sin B, and this is subtraction. So we put a bracket here. Now we open the bracket, so now we have the same. We write cosine A cosine B so cosine A cosine B, whatever it is, we write. So now we already have this one. We open the bracket, so minus cosine A cosine B, and minus become positive sin A sin B. So now we cancel out the like term, cos A cos B can be cancelled out, and this one we combine because addition become 2 sin A sin B. So that's how we have shown that it is equals to that. Okay, 2 sin A sin B. So guys, question A is done. It is already shown. Now we see question B. Hence show that cosine 5 theta minus cosine 9 theta equals to 2 sin 7 theta sin 2 theta. So now we start doing question B. This is the answer for question A. So how to do this is sin A is 7 theta, so A equals to 7 theta. So we have A equals to 7 theta, and then B is 2 theta. Now this is equals to cos A minus B, so it must be cos of 7 theta minus 2 theta, that equals to cos 5 theta. Now cos A plus B, so it's cos 7 theta plus 2 theta equals to cos 9 theta. Hence following this here, we'll have cos A minus B is cos 5 theta, and here is cos A plus B is a cos 9 theta, So it's proved that it's equals to sine 2 sine 7 theta 2 theta. So here we go, we have written down that cos 5 theta minus cos 9 theta equals to 2 sine 7 theta sine 2 theta. So guys, now we are done with A here and we have done with B. Now we go to C. Let's see C. Solve the equation cos 5 theta minus cos 9 theta equals to square root of 3 sine 7 theta for theta between 0 to 1/3 pi. So how do we solve that? You can use answer from the previous one. So here is cos 5 theta minus cos 9 theta is equals to this part, so we just write whatever it is this one. So 2 sine 7 theta. Next, what we can do is we have written down this one equals to that part equals to 3, so 3 of sine 7 theta. Now we group sine 7 theta into one side. So here we go, we have actually moved square root of 3 sine 7 theta to the left side here of the cosine. Now we can factorize the sine 7 theta as it has the same factor. You can factor that sine 7 theta out. So now we already factor out the sine 7 theta. So what is left is 2 sine 2 theta minus square root of 3. So this is the factor, sine 7 theta times this equals to 0. So to make this 0, we have to take sine 7 theta equals 0, or 2 sine 2 theta minus square root of 3 equals 0. So now we rearrange the equation, and 2 sine theta, we move square root of 3 to the right. Then we set sine 2 theta as the subject, so we divide by 2. So sine 2 theta equals to square root of 3 over 2. Now the value of 2 theta is equals to this is the special angle, pi over 6, and for sine, the same value will fall up on the quadrant 2, because this is sine times cos, and here's quadrant 2 is the value of sine also positive. So if we have pi over 6 in the quadrant 1, so in quadrant 2, to find the value in quadrant 2 is pi minus pi over 6. That will be oops, sorry guys, that's a mistake. This must be pi over 3. Must be pi over 3. So this is pi over 3, so this will be pi over 3, because if we root 3 over 2 is pi over 3, so pi minus pi over 3 will be 2 pi over 3. Okay, so this is 2 pi over 3. Now that is for 2 theta. To get the theta, we have to just divide the pi over 3 divided by 2 is pi over 6, and the second one will go into 2 pi over 3 divided by 2 divided by 2 will be pi over 3. So that will be our answer. 1, 2. We also will get the answer from the factorization of sine 7 theta equals to 0. Sine 7 theta equals to 0. So that will be 7 theta equals 0. Now the value of sine where it is 0 is this is the graph of sine, where 0 is in the pi and 2 pi and pi. But since the range allowed range of theta is greater than 0, so if we set 7 theta equals 0, so theta equals 0, that will not be within the required range. So theta equals 0, this will be not greater than 0, so we cross out this one. Now second possibility is 7 theta equals to pi, so theta equals to pi over 7. and the last is 7 theta equals to 2 pi, and pi equals to 2 over 7 pi. Okay, so that is our answer for this number, pi over 7, 2 pi over 7, and also we got the pi over 6 and pi over 3 from our calculation. So that will be 4 possible answer for that. So that is our solution for the number C, pi over 7, 2 pi over 7, pi over 6, and pi over 3 from 2 factorization. Let's now move on to D. Question D says that using calculus and showing your working, evaluate the integration of this. Give yourself to 3 decimal places. So now we see sine 7 theta x, 7x is similar to this, but this part is not so, and there's tan, so we have to modify the tan into sine and cos. So we know that the tan theta or tan 2x equals to, tan is sine over cosine, right? So then we just rearrange this part into 8 sine 7x times cosine x times the sine 2x over cosine 2x. This part is cosine 2x. So then now we can cancel out cosine 2x and cosine 2x. Now we can rearrange the integration. 8 sine 7x times sine 2x. Now we see that this part is actually similar to this part. We just have to modify the 8 into 2. Now we separate the 8 into 2. So we take out the 4 here, and we have 2 sine 7x sine 2x. Now we see that we have already the same equation here, same expression. So we can anytime substitute this with the left side, that is cos 5 theta minus 9 cos 9 theta. Now we already substitute this right hand side, sine 7x sine 2x, with the cos 5x minus cos 9x. Then we do the integration. So now we have the integration of cosine is sine 5x 1 over 5, and put this in a big bracket here, and the integration of cosine is 1 over 9 sine 9x. So now guys, we already have this one. Integration of cos 5x is 1 over 5 sine 5x. Integration of cosine 9x 1 over 9 sine 9x. Alright, so now we just substitute the value with calculator, and we got the answer. Okay guys, so now we have plugged in the value of upper and lower limit to each into the equation. Now this is 5 pi over, so we already got the substitution here, so we just have to count with calculator. The answer for that will be equals to 4 1/5, and since we know that sine 0 is a 0, so this is 0, and this is also 0, so we just write it more short. So we input this value into the calculator, this one, and then the answer will get as 0.9729. So we are asked to give answer in 3 decimal places. We consider until 4, so our answer will be 0.973 because this is more than 5. That will be our final answer. Okay guys, today's discussion is conducted by Study Tuition Online. We cater for all the subject and this program. Email us if you are interested to join with our online tuition. Subscribe and ring bell so you will not miss any of our latest video as we keep updating daily, weekly, monthly. And check the link below down describe as there is free resources from grade 3 up to grade 12 and also calculus and for pre-course. Bye bye and see you for now. If you have any question, any difficult question, you can upload in Google Drive, send the link in comment section. We will see what we can do for you, and bye bye, and don't forget to leave likes to the video as it will encourage us to make more video like this. Bye bye and God bless you.